I'll be showing you how to do the respect edit on TikTok. Now, if you are a fan of TikTok, you know the respect moments, the respect edits, and so on. These are really cool video clips knitted together using an amazing audio. And I'm going to show you how to do this using CapCut. Now, in order to do this, you would need to have clips that you would want to put together, or you could simply download a few of these clips without the watermark. There are various methods in which you can download these clips without watermark, but I won't get into those right now. So once you have your clips downloaded, let's launch CapCut, and you would need to click on New Project and then import the video clip which you would want to use as your base edit. Now, these edits are typically done in a square format, so that it would use the 1:1 aspect ratio. So most of the instances, these are done in a square format, and in some instances they are done in a vertical format. So as you can see, this one was not in a square format. However, we could actually adjust and change this into a square format. So we could actually edit the clip and crop this to a 1:1 format. All right, let's leave it at that. Now, once you have this done, let's extend to the end of the frame. And then the next thing you would need to do is to add the white bar, the red bar, or whichever color rectangle you'd want to use at the top. You could simply add it. So you could add overlay. You could click on stock, and you could select one of the white ones and click on add. Now, in doing this, we would also need to edit this overlay. So we would need to edit and crop, perform a freeform crop of this overlay. So let's see how that looks. We could actually reduce the size and ensure that it is on top of our footage, and then that would be basically be it. Now, as I've said, you could use various clips in your edits. Let me move that back a bit. And then you could simply add your text above this overlay. So you could simply add text. You could use your emojis. So select respect, and you could add a few emojis. Let me see. You could simply add your text. You could change the font. You could change the style. You could basically change anything. The color. Now, typically, seeing that we're using white, we would use a black font. And let's add this above. And that would basically be how you go about doing this. Now, if you want this to be as perfect as possible, you'd spend more time editing and so on. And then you would use various clips. You would knit them together. And you could import the audio from any one of these footages. Now, there are various respect style videos. You have a few with copy lame in between the clips and so on. So you could actually use those as templates. However, you would need to be more precise in cutting up the video footage to match the exact point in which you'd want. So it is not really much to it. You just need the video footage that you would be putting together and so on. So once you have the footages that you'd be putting together, you could simply put them together, put it in a square format. So put it in a square format and then add the clips. And that would basically be it for how to edit the respect videos on TikTok. So please give this a try. Download any number of clips you'd want. You could freely download them without the watermark. Then launch CapCut. Add the various clips in between. Now you could take one clip from a video and just merge different clips and so on, and then add the respect text to the top of the footage. Now you could also change the size of the text and so on. You could modify this however it suits you. So you could actually change the font to a more bold font. You could basically change anything in this to get the desired look that you're going for. And you could resize the white rectangle. You could resize the footage to allow it to fit the screen and just add personalization to it. So it is not difficult. It just takes a bit of time to get this done. So If you enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like on the video, and a comment would be appreciated. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.